everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you're new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Guys, today we are talking about Imbewu the seed. For the past few weeks we've been hooked into Thokozile, Zethu and Mepo storyline, which is almost to its end, guys. Thanks God. It will definitely though end with tears for fans, as one of their characters will be leaving the show for good. Zethu is one of the actors who started with the show back in 2018. She never had luck, guys, when it comes to on-screen relationships. She dated two Imbewu brothers, Nganono and Nkululeko, who both broke her heart. But this time Zethu will try all tricks in the world just to be with the man she loves. And the tears is revealed that she would try to use Mepo because she knows how much Nkululeko loves him and how much he always falls for her tricks and manipulations. She will give Mepo something he's allergic to and blame her state of mind. Later Zethu will voluntarily promise to book herself to a psychiatric institution to get help, but on one condition, that Nkululeko takes her and Mepo to a family expo outing. As usual, Nkululeko will agree and Zethu will drag him and the poor child just to get a quality time she's been craving for. But Nkululeko, as an ex-soldier, will manage to escape with the child. Zethu will vanish, the guys, and comes back with a gun, forcing Nkululeko to the rooftop with him. The tragedy happens. I assume she will throw herself down and die. Guys, that will be the end of her character on Imbewu. We'll definitely miss her. We wish her all the best in her new journey. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Do you blame Nkululeko for everything that happened to Zethu or not? And that's note, guys. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.